Hello guys, welcome to the ServiceNow Teach Me To channel. Today we'll start with the ServiceNow Administration, and in this as ServiceNow Administration part 1 we'll try to complete each and every topic, theoretical and practical level, and also will cover for the CSA mainline exam as well. We'll go with the blueprints as well. So let's start. In last video I have completed with the PDI and the basic information about ServiceNow. So I hope guys you have signed up with the developer.servicenow.com, and this link I have pasted with my first video. Today we'll start with the ServiceNow administration. Let's start. And so after logging you will see this page. In this page on home you will see here is the AI is also enabled here. You can put your queries and get the answer here, and here are PDI details. I already have active PDI. So if you don't have, then here it will ask you to request for a PDI, and once you click on request for PDI it will take some time, and after that you will get one PDI, and this PDI will automatically get deactivate or release after if you are not using for the 7 days, continuous 7 days. If you are not using, then it will automatically get deactivate, or you have to request new then. And in learning you can see, in learning overview there are different learning plans based on your level. If you are very new to ServiceNow, you can start with this module, and if you know about ServiceNow basics and other things, you can start with service administrator and then start with the developer thing, and then application developer. These things you can start learning from these modules as well. And after that there are some references like which API we are using, REST APIs, client API, client next API, server scope. So all information we have in this page, like in this ServiceNow developer page itself, because whatever we are using, we are studying, we will get to know here. Like these are the official things, like official, so that we can start learning from these resources, because we can't trust other resources like other sites, because maybe there can be wrong information or there can be right. So to be sure, please check the official resources from ServiceNow Learning, ServiceNow University as well, where you are completing the certifications, and also ServiceNow communities, official ServiceNow communities. There you can put your there, like here you can see under support tab you have customer support as well. You can it is a community as well. In community you can check your problems a solution in like if other person has asked for a same problem, or you can post your query as well, and people will help each other and get support from like these facilities you have on this page. So let's start. So in manage my instance, when I am going to manage my instance, you can see the details of my PDIs are showing here, and then here you can see this is the URL for my PDI. I am clicking on this. Meanwhile it's opening. Let me tell you, username and password, this is my role. I can also change in actions I can release the instance, change my user roles as well. I can remove the demo data as well, or reset my instance as well, and I can check the history. And here I will reset my instance password or email login credentials, and other thing I can do for my instance. So let's start. As you can see in my instance, this is the instance home page. This way instance is looking. So first of all, this is the user interface, and yeah, let's start with user interface. As you can see in all, if you don't want this menu bar should not show, then you can click on unpin. You can unpin as well, and you can pin as well. And if you want, you can search here anything like incident module is there, problem module is there, and you can search here and open from here like that. And also in favorites we can the modules or the things we are using often, we can make it favorite from here, like clicking on star we can make it favorite. And from history we can see what we have opened the last time, that you can see. And in workspace there are multiple workspace, CMDB workspace, item in knowledge instrument, there are multiple workspace. In workspace you can see the different data, like let me open, if I am open CMDB workspace, so you can see what's going on in real time. So in workspace you can check that. And this is global search. In global search you can search for so you can see in CMDB workspace my work, and what are open tasks, overdue tasks I have, what important actions that I have to take. These are the things will show, and it will be created on different level, like incident, problem, change. In that level also workspaces has been created. And after that, this is the global search. In global search we have we can search anything, any record from the database. Like if I have to search for any particular incident, a particular problem, particular change record, or RATM, I can search here and I'll get there. And in these three dots, these are the notifications. And in notifications, what kind of notification I am getting, help centers for getting help. And this is the usage analytics, which things I am using, it will show that information. Apart from that, this is the user profile, and in profile I'll get information about the logged in users, the first name, last name, mobile phone and title, and like these information I'll get from this profile. And in preferences I'll check like put lines in list view, and these are the preferences that I can do. And like always show top navigation, and always use compact spacing. Like these are the in always show top navigation means I want whatever I am opening, it will show this always show top navigation. Like I want this particular navigation bar, this navigation bar should show whatever I am opening on the top of, then I can select this one. So like that. And then there is a theme as well, coral theme, polarized theme. These themes we can create customize ourselves as well. We can create another color combinations as well, but these two are from out of box. And accessibility, show daytime formats, and these things if we are changing these things are limited for our instance only. It will not show to other people, because these are for the user preferences. And then in notification also, like what are journal notification and next experiences, the view we can change. And you can see. And debugging, like when we are having some problem and we are not sure which thing is causing, then we can check with script debugger or next experience. If it is from next experience developer tools as well, we can debug with these tools. Language and region, we can select our country, time zone, or format, date and time format as per our recommendation and current and start page default, or I want a use dashboard any, then it will use the page I am on now. Like if I have opened incident record and I want, whenever I am logging in, I will see the last thing that I have opened. Once load, it will show like that, okay. And after that we have keyboard shortcuts. In keyboard shortcuts, here they have given us the information about keyboard shortcut. If we have to do favorite and unfavorite current page, we can use this shortcut. Go to global search, impersonate user with this shortcut. So these shortcut things are, they have mentioned here, page actions and journal information like this, okay. And then impersonate user. So impersonate user, while testing, if I am admin and it's working fine for me and there is no restriction for me, and I have built something, so I have to check on a testing. So I can impersonate with a different person, like I can impersonate with this person and then test it accordingly. Like instead of logging with another person or taking their credentials, that is not a correct way to do the things. So impersonate will help us to log in to the another user, and then I can check like what I can test the things if it is working for the end user, or because end user doesn't have a admin role. End user only have a SN external, SNC internal, or SNC external roles, or ITL roles like that they have. So we can impersonate and we can test our development or customization we have done. And if you want to end impersonation, then it will redirect to your instance. But if you want to impersonate with another person, you can use this. But right now I am choosing end impersonation. And after that there is a elevate role. Elevate role we are using for a ACL purpose. Like this is a security underscore admin role. Security underscore admin role we are using to edit and like working on ACL. When we are working on ACL, this security underscore admin role is required, and then we are using this elevate role functionality. And then printer friendly version, and if I have to get print of some records or anything, then I can use this printer friendly version, and it will print the things like this. It will print this like that. It will come. I hope this is clear for the application navigation and other things. So let's start with the next topic, is the tables. So how tables are looking like. So if I was telling you about the incident, so this is the incident module. In incident module we have we can create new incident, or we can click on this assign to me, whatever like the incident assigned to me, that will shown here. And if I am clicking on all, one way is open incident. I'll go to the navigation and write incident and click on all. Okay, this is one way is this. Okay, let's open. Okay, one way is this. To open the incident, I'll go to the in navigation where I'll write incident and go to incident module, click on all, and incidents are open, and these are incident table. But if I want to open with the I don't want to go to the I don't want to search and will. So I'll do, see here in URL, you are seeing this URL here, table name will be there, the backend name of table. As you can see, label is this, the table label is this incident, but backend level is this incident. So the another thing is to opening the incident is incident dot list. If I am using small list, then it will open here like in the same tab as well, but if I am using capital list, then it will open here in the next tab. So this is the another way to open the table, records. And this is the list view. These are the fields, and we can personalize from here. In gear icon, I don't know why my PDI is slow. Okay, let's see. So in gear icon I can like if I want approval here, so I can bring here, or I want category should be I don't want category, then I can move it to the left side, or whatever I want to highlight on the list view I will choose. These are the fields that are created on incident, so and then I click on OK, and it will show me these are as approval and resolution codes are showing here. So if I am opening the incident, the fields that are showing here, you will see here, these are the rows, and these are the columns. This is cell. We can this is the table, incident table, so like that. So as you can see, this is the incident form view. Form we can open from the incident as well, and if I want to create a new form, then I can open from create new module as well, like I want to create a new, or I can click on here as well, new, and then it will open me a new form like that. Okay, and there is another method, form, then it will open in another tab, and it will came like this. Or I have another method as well, like if I am doing incident.do, then also it will open, but in a same. If I will do in capital, then it will go to the next tab, otherwise it will open in the same tab. Okay, so let's submit one incident. Here it is a caller, and caller is coming from which table? Caller is coming from sys_user table, the users table. Caller is coming, so we can select the user, and then we are giving the short description. Right now we are giving computer fix. I'm just giving random short description, and then you can see here are no mandatory fields, like the asterisk sign that you are seeing here. These fields needs to field mandatory. If we are not filling these fields, then it will not save, it will not allow me to save the record, and I am not able to submit the incident. So once these mandatory fields are filled, I am saving my record. Okay, record is getting saved, and let's open the list view. I am opening with the second way. Okay, so as you can see, this incident I have created right now, right? So 10006. Okay. I don't know what happened to my PDI. Just a minute. My PDI is very slow. I think that this is the incident. The incident has opened. Okay, this incident we submitted. So based on that, and as you can see, this is the bar here. If I am clicking right click, I am getting multiple options here. I can save here, and I can add to visual task this incident or create incident task. So these all things will cover in later videos. And the buttons we have here, these are the UI actions, this will also be covered. And this is the related list, affected CIs, and the incident is looking like this. So the purpose is to showing you like incident is looking like this. So tables, just a minute. In tables under system definition we have tables. If I am clicking on table, so here are the tables. Like in ServiceNow, like in my instance we have 6086 tables. These are the out of the box tables, but we can create customized table as well. We can click on new and then it will show us record. List and form view I have told you, but will tell you list layout. Okay, so here in table records I'll give any label for this, like test table. But the thing is, please be sure whatever your name is giving, once you submit your table record, then this name field will become read only. Then you can't change this thing. You can change the label, but you can't change this backend name. And it's coming with u underscore because it's a created by user. It's a custom one, it's not the out of the box one. So that's why it is starting with the u underscore. Okay, and let me go with the form layout. In form layout, as I can see, we can go here in configure. This is a configure, and in form layout, so we have a form design, form layout, form builder as well. So form layout we are using, if I want this particular state field I want upon channel, or impact I want after urgency, then I can use this form layout and configure it as per the requirement, or as per the suggestion from the customer. Like if I have to configure impact after urgency, just a minute, yeah. So if I want impact after urgency, then I'll click on impact, and here I'll bring it to after the urgency. And if I want assignment group and assign to both together, then I will control and select both fields, and I'll bring it to the under on hold. And after that, if I want this approval field should be in my in my right side, because I want to show this approval field, then I can click here and it will be there. And if I want to remove, so I don't want to show, so I'll click here and I'll save the record. So record will submit, and after that user impersonate we have covered. And then the workspace, I have shown you workspace for CMDB. In workspace we are getting what is currently going on in particular table. We can create a workspace for a, like you can see, this is a asset workspace or service operation workspace. Let me open service operation workspace for example. In service operation workspace, you will see here the list is showing. Let's check if I, yeah. So as per the CSA curriculum, we have like this is the blueprint for the CSA exam. So we have covered with the ServiceNow platform overview, platform capabilities and services. I have completed this, what is ServiceNow instance and unified navigation I told you. And yeah, plugins we are remaining, we'll cover this one. Okay, so in ServiceNow workspace you can see there is no interaction has been assigned to me. We have different tables here: interaction, request, catalog, task. I am, so yeah, it will be easy for you. Okay, so interactions, request and catalog task. If any catalog task is assigned to me, then it will show here, and incident it will show me here in assigned to you, and unassigned or this is the all view. So workspace will like this. It is very user friendly and it will help agent or the person who is working on particular incidents or interactions or requests, that will be helpful for that person. And yeah, plugins. So plugins are, so we have plugins. We'll go to plugins, and like to activate ITSM, ITOM, CMDB, we required plugins so that we can use their functionality and do the things based on the requirements we are getting, or for study purpose or for doing hands-on. So plugins are very important. We can download from the plugins as well, or like in PDI here also plugins are showing. We can search plugins, and we can, like for customer service, we can click on active plugin and it will, like these are not active, not activated plugins. So we can download plugins and use the functionality. Let me open in next tab. I think my PDI is behaving strange. Sometime it's behaving. Oh my god. Is it my PDI or my internet connection? I don't know. But let's see, hopefully it should open. Oh, it's my internet connection. Just a minute. I got disconnected. Why it's happening? Okay, it's back. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me refresh. So I was there, like we can install plugins from here as well, and also here as well we can search for our plugins, and we can see whatever plugins we already have from install tab, and what updates we have from here. We can see which updates we have. But the thing is, when you are working on projects in real time, then please be ensured to install any plugins before installing any plugins in real time instances. When you are working for client, then it's very important, take approvals, and analyze the pros and cons for that plugins, because sometimes it's not good to download plugins or install plugins blindly. So it's I have experience, because in some cases if we are enabling plugins, so sometimes it will cost you as well. So it's in PDA, you can download it and you can practice it, but in real time please try to avoid. Please take suggestion or take approvals from senior resources, and then you will do this. The other things we'll cover in part 2, and for this one, these topics we have covered. Please let me know if there are anything I am missing out, or if there are any suggestions or feedback for me. And I hope I have completed from my side whatever I can for these topics. So I will upload second part very soon. Thank you so much.